Welcome to the SolidCAM Professor video series called Jumpstart, the easy way to learn SolidCAM. In this session, we will be going through part 9 of our first lesson, where we will generate G-code in preparation for machining our part. This will be our last and final video of the lesson. Here is our CAM part, complete with face mill, profile, pocket, and drilling operations. If you're just tuning in and would like our CAM part with these added operations, please download the SolidCAM part file included with this video tutorial and open it. As you may know, we've been saving our downloaded part files in a training folder that we've created on our C drive. Now that our operations are complete and we have watched our part run in simulation, the only step we have left is to generate G-code in preparation for machining our part. To output G-code for our entire project, right-click on the Operations folder in our CAM Manager, highlight G-code All, and select Generate. Our G-code is generated based on the parameters of our CNC controller chosen when we first created our CAM part definition. The G-code is opened in Notepad for us to view before it goes out to the machine. Also note, the G-code file name automatically defaults to our CAM part name. Now, if we want to generate G-code for a specific operation, we can simply right-click on the operation in our CAM tree, highlight G-code, and select Generate. Since we only selected one operation, we are prompted to give our G-code a file name in case we want to save it. Let's just call it SC1 for this example. As we can see, our generated G-code opens in Notepad, although this time it's only for our selected operation. We also have the option to split our program in the instance that we are working with multiple setups before we output G-code. For example, let's say we would like our last operation to come out as separate G-code. We can right-click on our third operation and select Split. As we can see in our CAM Manager, a split has been inserted after our pocket operation. Now, when we right-click on the Operations folder and select G-code All Generate, we get two separate G-code files. In this case, Simple Cover 1 handles our first three operations, and Simple Cover 1.1 handles our last and final operation. Also, we are not limited to just one split. We can insert multiple splits in our CAM tree and generate multiple G-code files accordingly. And this concludes our final video, part 9 of lesson 1 in the SolidCAM Jumpstart Series, where we generated G-code in preparation for machining our part. Before we go, please keep in mind that there is a downloadable SolidCAM part file included with each video for you to follow along. If you find yourself stuck on a particular operation or would like to go back to any video for a refresher, just know that you could do so easily. Thank you for joining us on this SolidCAM Professor video series called Jumpstart. Take care and have a nice day.